Right now, the stadium is changing faster than ever. New lamellas are arriving, the compression ring keeps growing day by day, and major progress is now happening across multiple areas of the project at the same time. From the south side to north goal and the lateral sectors, crews are pushing forward with structural work, facade installation, sandwich panels, and much more. So let's dive straight into today's update. The compression ring is continuing to advance at a very fast pace, with visible structural progress appearing almost every day. Since yesterday alone, crews have already installed a new pillar and radial beam section, preparing the area for the next large structural phalanges that will connect the radial beams together. This section of the compression ring is becoming more complex as additional support systems, connection pieces, and radial structures continue appearing across the upper level. Large amounts of heavy steel are also still staged around the stadium, showing that construction teams are preparing for continuous assembly work over the coming weeks. Crane activity around the compression ring also remains very active, with workers constantly lifting new structural components into position, while additional pieces continue arriving at ground level to maintain the workflow. Construction on the third tier continues moving quickly across multiple sections of the stadium, especially around the upper seating areas and interior service zones. Crews are actively working on stair alignment, concrete structures, and future bathroom and concession areas, while several unfinished sections of the upper overhang are still receiving final concrete work and finishing operations. At the same time, more structural elements are being secured across the upper bowl, making the progress of the third tier increasingly noticeable every single day. The VIP area is now entering a much more advanced construction phase as crews continue working across both hospitality levels inside the stadium. Large open spaces are slowly being transformed into future premium lounges, corridors, and service sections, while workers continue installing support structures, interior framing, and preparation systems for future enclosures. More activity is also visible around the access areas and circulation zones, showing that this section is expected to see major visual progress throughout the summer. In the south area, a new truck fully loaded with lamellas has just arrived on site. These lamellas are expected to be installed very soon in the prepared section behind the structure where the anchors and guide alignments have already been completed over the last few days. Everything now looks ready for installation to begin at any moment. Several lifting platforms are now active in this sector, with workers tightening and securing the lamella anchor points across multiple levels of the structure. Teams are carefully checking every connection point to ensure all supports are perfectly aligned and fully secured before installation continues. At the same time, interior activity inside the south side also remains very intense. Heavy machinery and additional lifting equipment continue moving through the area as crews work simultaneously on several structural and finishing tasks hidden deeper inside the stadium bowl. Moving toward the lateral side of the stadium, more work is now visible around the mobility core sections. Workers appear to be painting structural components and protective coatings on various bolts and steel connections. Small support structures have also been installed between pillars and mobility cores where future elevator and access systems will be integrated. Above this section, additional activity is visible underneath the overhang where crews continue working with black pipe systems and technical installations running along the lower part of the structure. One of the most important developments today is the movement of sandwich panels toward the upper level of the stadium. Cranes were seen lifting large panel sections upward, and everything indicates that installation is now beginning on the next structural tier above the first overhang. This could become the first area of the stadium where sandwich panels are installed on this higher level, representing another major visual transformation for the exterior structure. At the same time, workers continue installing the rear bracket unions behind the large support structures that will eventually carry the exterior lamella system across the stadium facade. Ground-level storage zones remain completely packed with structural material. Massive radial beams, steel sections, phalanges, brackets, and compression ring components are now staged throughout the area waiting to be lifted into position. The amount of material currently prepared shows how aggressive the upcoming construction schedule may become during the next phase of work. Another major update today comes from the corner section, where crews have officially started installing new lamellas in an additional sector. Several lamellas are already visible inside the false ceiling area, and workers were seen actively lifting and securing new pieces during filming. What is especially impressive is the speed of installation. It appears that most of this section may have been started only today or late yesterday. Yet multiple lamellas are already fully positioned and aligned. This marks another clear sign that facade work is now expanding rapidly into different areas of the stadium simultaneously. The diamond-shaped structural zone has also seen major progress. After months without visible activity, crews recently returned to this area, and large sections are now fully reinforced and concreted. Only a smaller rear section still remains unfinished, where formwork panels are still visible waiting for the next concrete pour. The speed of progress here has been remarkable, considering reinforcement and formwork operations only started recently. New structural pieces for the compression ring continue arriving almost every single day. Today, another large pillar was delivered on site and is expected to be lifted toward the lateral side soon. The workflow is now very consistent. As crews install sections on the ring above, replacement pieces immediately arrive below to keep the construction cycle moving without delays. In North Goal, more lamellas remain staged behind the access gates waiting for installation. This entire sector already has aligned anchors, guides, and support systems fully prepared. However, installation here has not officially started yet, unlike other active areas of the stadium. Even so, with all materials already delivered nearby, work could begin at any moment. Cranes were also seen moving additional lamellas across the mobility core areas, showing that facade work is clearly becoming one of the main priorities of the project right now. Another important phase currently underway is the application of fireproof paint across many exposed steel structures. Large portions of brackets, bolts, and support beams still require coating and finishing work before final exterior coverings can be installed. Some lower sections already received their protective layers, while upper and middle structural areas still remain unfinished. Although this is less visually dramatic than the compression ring or facade systems, it remains a massive amount of work across the entire stadium. The North Goal corner is also extremely active today. Multiple lifting platforms are operating simultaneously while workers install additional curved supports that will later connect directly to the lamella systems. Large quantities of supports remain stored nearby, indicating that this entire corner section will continue advancing quickly over the coming days. Several crews are also working higher up on the structural brackets while others prepare new pieces below for crane lifting operations. Moving into the Tribuna area, concrete pumping operations are currently active on the upper levels near the second overhang. Although the exact section being poured is difficult to see from below, heavy equipment and pumping systems clearly show that structural concrete work is still progressing at high levels. Additional sandwich panel materials also remain stored throughout this area, especially around the mobility cores where future installations are expected very soon. Workers continue operating lifting platforms across different structural zones, while more technical installations and finishing works advance underneath the overhangs. Closer to the south corner, crews continue installing more lamella support structures across the vertical unions and inner structural frames. Some support systems closest to the stadium bowl are already visible, while other sections still remain in preparation stages. Interior work also continues heavily in this zone, with additional machinery, cranes, and lifting platforms constantly moving through the area. Even from a distance, the amount of simultaneous activity happening across the south side is extremely noticeable. Overall, today's update confirms that the stadium has officially entered a much faster construction phase. With no more matches interrupting operations, crews can now fully focus on accelerating progress throughout the summer period. The compression ring keeps expanding almost daily, New lamellas are now appearing in multiple sections. Sandwich panels are reaching higher levels. Mobility cores continue advancing, and finishing work across the steel structure is steadily progressing. Although a huge amount of work still remains ahead, the transformation during recent weeks has been significant, and the stadium is now evolving at a visibly faster rhythm across nearly every sector of the project.